We are heading into the engine house to take the tour.
Entrance of which looks to the building. The cool thing about it is it still works today.
This is our incredibly knowledgeable tour guide. I wish I could have taped everything he said, but then this video would have been over 2 hours long.
Today,
Uh,
have used it on one minor derailment down here at the railroad. And the story behind that goes a little something like this. 81 was going up to Keystone carrying a BD engineer. Luckily, they didn't have a train on the back. And the flange weight on the back wheel of the tender had broken off. And so, it's a long time to fire up. Brought an extra wheel, lifted it up, rolled it under for the Southern Pacific. When the mine shut down here in 1983, the town was kind of struggling for mine, and eventually mine came in 1990, which partly used the railroad, which was still connected to the main line. And it was under a company called VHB. VHB brought their fleet of locomotives.
this plow is still operational. That is a little bigger than my 5.9. Yeah, so pretty much everything in here is either operational or being renovated back to operational status. Checking out the workshop / forge.
Our shop guys like to have a little fun around here.
Lost all my notes that I took on this, unfortunately, but I believe this is the one they said was almost completed. Yeah, this passenger car is almost completed on its restoration. The interior's done, the one side is completely done, and he's just finishing up on the woodwork on the outside. Stained glass windows, and up top. Can you tell where the first class is?
Take a look on the other side, because I finished the other side last year. There's two stained glass windows, interior and exterior. The exterior is different.
So the roof on this side of the car has
This is
been
the other
completely
side
renovated.
that's already been
Unfortunately, I lost the
restored.
clip that had the other side on it that he was working on. But man, this guy did some incredible workmanship. And here's a photo of it. Some shots of the train yards and some of the buildings.